Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to print your drawings to a PDF so that you can hand them in. So I'm going to open up TitleBlockExample. And the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure my line weight is on. You can see I have already turned mine on, but if your line weight is off, make sure you turn it on so we're getting that dark line around our title block. But what we want to do is we're going to go to the Applications button up here. We're going to go to Print, and we're going to go to Batch Plot. We want to make sure that we can take the model space out of here because we just want to print the two sheets. So take that out, hit the delete key here. Change this, most likely it's plotter named and setup, but change it to PDF. Change this to DWG to PDF. Come up here to Publish Options. Make sure all of these checkboxes are checked, right? We want to make sure that we're getting a multi-file sheet. That's probably the most important part. We want to print two sheets to one big document. You know, if there were 10 sheets to one big document. Browse to where you're going to want it to go. So like I've been saving everything inside of this AutoCAD folder, so I'll do that. And then I'll hit select and say OK. And so that should show up here. See, it does. Publish in background, we want to do that. I think that's all of the stuff we have to do. So we'll say publish, and then it's going to ask me for a name. So I'm going to name mine right here. You can see I've already done it once. DWG.TitleBlockExample. Yours is going to be whatever your last name is. Hit select. It's going to ask me if I want to replace it because I already have it. So I'm going to say that I do. Say yes to this. Say close. And then what's going to say is it says your printing or publishing job is processing in the background. So we'll hit close on that. We don't need to see that. But so down here you can see the printer is kind of moving. It says publish job in progress. And when it's done, it'll put up a message to tell us that it is done. While it's working, I am going to open the folder where it's supposed to end up. Now, mine's going to show like it's already there, see, because it's saving over a file, but it's definitely not done yet because I haven't gotten my alert yet, but my printer is still moving here. But yours won't even be here. Yours will say whatever your stuff is, but this duff.titleBlock or whatever your last name is won't be there. I'm also going to sit here while that's working, and I'm going to bring up the hand-in folder. So go to File Explorer. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to Shortcuts IED. So how I get there is a little bit different. So I'm going to close this. Go to Network Places. That's how I get there. I'll go to one of your folders. Hand-in folders. IED. Hand-in. Block 2. Whatever. Quarter 1. I'm going to go to now Drawings. This will be the first time we've handed something into the Drawings folder. It's a new folder. We'll see how that goes. And it's going to get dragged into Title Block right here. So expand that out so I'm split here. Drawing should be done. You can see it is. There's now an alert message down here. It says no errors or warnings were found. I'm going to open it up. I'm in my network folder. Take a look at it. I have kind of a weird document reader in here, so it looks a little bit odd. But here is example 1. And if I scroll down, I can scroll between example 1 and example 2. You see my scale changes, 100 to 1 to 16 to 1. Close that. Take it. Drag it in here. And then you should be done. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to come up and ask, but good luck, go to work.